Bumawi ka.
Mamaya, 7 p.m.
Kilometer 0 sa tapat ng block. Goodbye!
Now I see your face above. Could you take me where you are? Unafraid no matter what may come.
Last chance.
For the hour
Kilometer 0. Monday, 7 p.m. Ikita tayo.
when you wake up in the storm, trees will all be standing tall. I come to you, you'll never be alone. When your homes fall apart, night is cold, day is dark, I give my heart, it's right where you belong, right where you belong, right where you belong. And we'll meet across the sky, so together we will fly. You're so near to me, you'll never be apart. Once in every hour of those many nights, when you wake up in the storm,
15 years, marami nangyari. Maraming nagbago. Pero yung nararamdaman ko sa'yo, Karen, yung manitang makita. It stays. Here.
September 14 and 15. Bakit di mo ako pinuntahan?
I've always been your Karen. Palagi.
Love in every hour of those